Hello everyone, Gautam Reddy here from Trade the Truth. Let's discuss about the pre-opening session for the today. Yesterday we have seen a clear-cut indication in the form of gap up in Bank Nifty towards like 50,800 levels. But it's unable to sustain in the opening itself and it dragged down towards like 50,500 levels. This is what I have observed, and in the next part of the remaining part of the day, we have seen just a consolidation in between the range of 100 to 150 points. It was not directional market. It was totally into the non-directional movement, and it created confusion in the retail traders where exactly the trend lies in. So when market unable to sustain the resistance or unable to sustain below the support, it is called non-directional market. So first we need to identify where exactly the support and resistance lies for the today's session. So today opening made chance of around like 50,750 and 80 levels, 50,800 levels, and support ranges around like 50,500 levels. Okay, this is a support. This is a support, and upper layer acts as a resistance. If we observe this 250-point range should support strongly for the second half, at least after like 4 o'clock of 3 hours of candle or 2 hours of second candle should sustain this support and takes out the resistance strongly, then we can expect a move towards like 51,000 levels. Even if we observe the weekly candle in Pan Nifty also, there is a unfinished business on the top around like 51,000 levels, which is struggling to sustain from last 2 weeks. So in case today, if we are getting a strong volume breakout in this region around like 50,800 and 750 plus, we can see a strong short covering rally towards like 51,000 plus. Then onwards, we need to see whether market will sustain beyond 51,000 or 51,080 or 120 levels. In case if it suppose it may sustain to those levels, and it will prepare for the tomorrow's expiry. And if you see the support range of 50,400 and 500 levels, it should sustain strongly in the first 2 hours. Okay, so this 250-point range is make or break level for the today's session. So in case Bank Nifty breaks strongly around yesterday's low 50,430 levels, we can with volumes, but probability chances here for fall is 30%. Probability chance for upside movement is 70%. So let's decide what exactly we will get only after 11:15 or 12:15, 2 hours or 3 hours of candle. Then only we are going to take confirmation in the trade. Up to that, we need to wait with the patience. It's not an easy day in the first half, but it will be the easy day for the second half to take the opportunity in the bank, especially. So, if you take the overall trend in the weekly, there is a unfinished business on the top. I will be explaining you right now. So let's go to the weekly chart also at the same time. So there is a unfinished business around like 51,000 levels. This level should surpass at least to meet the price and pattern at any point of time. So this is a new resistance formation will happen. 51,250 for this week. And new support for this week is yesterday's low. So there is high probability, as I have explained right now in the smaller time frame of 15 minutes, there is a high probability of 70% towards on the bullish side and 30% towards on the bearish side. So probability for bullish is high. So we need to follow the price and pattern methodology for the upcoming move in the today's session. So first off, it will test our patience to the core, and second off, it will zoom as per the price and pattern. In case this support holds strongly around like 50,500 levels and support strongly with the volumes around 50,750 levels. So coming to the Nifty, even in the Nifty also yesterday we have seen a strong gap up and it unable to sustain, but it consolidated too much as compared to the Bank Nifty. Nifty consolidated too much, but Bank Nifty dragging down was too much. But in Nifty we have seen just 50 to 60 point consolidation range in the yesterday session. So here we need to identify what's in the store for us for the today's session. Let's go for the higher time frame 2 hours, and let's go in detail right now. So opening was gap up and it's unable to sustain, means it is a consolidation. It goes for the non-directional market. When market moves in a non-directional scenario, there won't be any opportunity for the directional traders, and it is totally for the writers. So today, as per the global markets, we can see a mild gap up towards like 50 and 60 points in Nifty. So as per this scenario, Nifty should open 24,630 levels. So maybe near to yesterday's high, it may open and it will consolidate as per the Bank Nifty for the today's session. In the first off, as I have clearly explained, there is more chance for consolidation in the first off, and second off, we can expect it zoom in or zoom out as per the support and resistance levels. So based on this structure, we can see volume breakout should happen, and it may go towards like 24,700, and there is a high chance towards 24,750. Okay, so but Bank Nifty, we can expect a good trending move. Even Nifty also, it may consolidate strongly as per the price and pattern methodology, but there is a high chance for upside of property of 70%, on the downside the property is 30%. So for downside 24,500, this level should break. 24,500 should break with strong volumes in the second half. Then only we can expect a downside move in the market. As long as it is staying towards top of like yesterday's high, we can see my slow motion moves will happen towards like 24,700 and 750 levels. So let's wait with patience and grab the best opportunity in the today's session. See you everyone in the upcoming video.